Hi everybody, today in this tutorial we're going to see how to make the stitch 3 double crochets work together. To make this stitch we need to make a foundation chain of a multiple of 3 plus 1. This tutorial I'm going to make 25 chains, so I'm going to make the slip knot and the foundation chain of 25 chains. And 25. Now I need to make one more chain that counts as a single crochet, and 2 because we need to create some spaces. So I'm going to skip the 2 first chains and insert the hook into the third and make a single crochet. And throughout this row we're going to continue this way. 2 chains, skip 2 chains down here, and into the third make a single crochet. 2 chains, skip 2 chains, into the third a single crochet, make a single crochet. 2 chains, skip 2 chains, into the third make a single crochet. 2 chains, skip 2 chains, into the third make a single crochet. 2 chains, skip 2 chains, into the third make a single crochet. 2 chains, into skip the 3 chains here down here, and into the third make a single crochet. 2 chains, and skip 2 chains here into the third, into the next one make a single crochet, and again 2 chains, skip 2 into the last one, make a single crochet. Now we're going to start the main stitch. So I need 3 chains, and a double crochet into the same space here. And from now on we're going to make 3 double crochets work together into the same stitch in each single crochet of the row of the previous row. So here is a single crochet, and we're going to make 3 double crochets into the same stitch, and 3. And now here another single crochet, so 3 double crochets worked together into the same stitch, and again here there is a single crochet, so we're going to make 3 double crochets together into the same stitch, and throughout the row this way. This is a single crochet, so make 3 double crochets in the same space, and here there is another single crochet, and so 3 double crochets together into the same space, and again here there is a single crochet, so we are going to make 3 double crochets all together into the same space, and here there is another single crochet, and we're going to make 3 double crochets worked together into the same space, and we are going to finish the row by making 2 double crochets here at the end, and then again we're going to make 1 chain, because that counts as a single crochet, plus 2 because we need the spaces, to create the spaces. And here, this is the second row, from now on throughout the row we're going to make in each group of 3 double crochets into the second, we're going to make a single crochet, 2 chains here into the next group of 3, into the second, insert the hook into the second and make a single crochet, 2 chains into the second double crochet of the group of the 3 double crochets of the previous row, another single crochet here, 2 chains, and here there is another group into the second, insert the hook and make another single crochet, 2 chains. Here there is another group of 3 into the second, insert the hook and make another single crochet, 2 chains. Here's another group of 3 into the second, insert the hook and make a single crochet, 2 chains. Here is the last group of 3, so into the second, insert the hook and make a single crochet, and we're going 2 chains here and 2 more chains, and we're going to finish the row with a single crochet here. Now to continue, we're going to make this row, the row of the 3 double crochets worked all together in the same stitch, so we need 3 chains and turn the work, another double crochet here into the same stitch of the first of the 3 chains, and from now on in each single crochet of the previous row we're going to make the group of 3 double crochets. So here there is a single crochet stitch, 3 double crochets, and here there is another single crochet, so 3 double crochets. and here we have another single crochet, so we're going to make 3 double crochets, and here we have another single crochet, so we're going to make 3 double crochets, and here we have another single crochet, so we're going to make 3 double crochets, and here we have another single crochet, so we're going to make 3 double crochets, and here we have another single crochet, so we're going to make a group of 3 double crochets that work together, and we are going to finish the row by making 2 double crochets, here at the end. And to continue, we're going to make 1 chain that counts as a single crochet plus 2 that creates the space, and in the second stitch of each group of 3 double crochets, we're going to work a single crochet, 2 chains, here the group into the second, a single crochet, 2 chains, here in this group of 3 into the second, a single crochet, 2 chains, here in this group of 3 into the second, insert the hook into the second, we make a single crochet, 2 chains, here there is another group of 3, so insert the hook into the second and make a single crochet, here 2 chains, sorry, here there is another group of 3, so insert the hook into the second and make another single crochet, 2 chains, here is the last group of 3, insert the hook into the second of the 3 double crochets and make a single crochet, 2 chains, and we're going to finish the row, by making a single crochet at the end. And if we want to continue 3 chains, turn the row, a double crochet here where we have made 3 chains, and from now on in each single crochet space of the previous row we're going to make 3 double crochets, and that's the stitch is finished. The last one, here there is another single crochet space, so we're going to make 3 chains, 3 double crochets, sorry. Okay, that's it. That's a beautiful stitch. You can make blankets and other nice things for you and your home. Thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye.